Binance Crypto Exchange Review, my usage experience. Today, I'm reviewing Binance, one of the largest and most versatile crypto exchanges out there, sharing my firsthand experience using it. Binance offers an impressive range of features, from spot trading to futures, staking, lending, and even a crypto savings account, making it appealing to everyone from beginners to advanced traders. One standout is its vast selection of supported cryptocurrencies, over 600, allowing for a diverse trading experience. Binance is ideal for those who want more than just a simple buy-sell platform. It's designed for active traders, investors, and crypto enthusiasts looking to explore everything from high-liquidity trading pairs to crypto loans and decentralized finance. The trading fees on Binance are some of the lowest in the industry, starting at just 0.1%, with discounts available when you use Binance Coin, BNB to pay fees, or if you reach higher trading volumes. Security is a priority here as well. Binance uses two-factor authentication, multi-tiered account verification, and cold storage to protect user assets, which adds peace of mind. However, Binance has faced regulatory challenges in some regions, so check availability and compliance with local regulations. One feature I found particularly useful is the mobile app. It's highly functional, allowing you to trade, track assets, and even earn interest on the go. Binance also provides robust market data and analytical tools right in the app, making it easy to monitor trends and optimize trades. For those looking to get into advanced trading, Binance has futures, margin trading, and options, all of which offer more flexibility, though they come with higher risks. There's also a light mode on the app, which simplifies the experience for new users, making it easier to buy, sell, or hold crypto without getting overwhelmed. Additionally, the platform supports staking and liquidity pools, allowing users to earn passive income without active trading. In short, Binance has positioned itself as a one-stop shop for crypto needs, with advanced features and flexibility that most platforms can't match. But it's worth noting that Binance's complexity might feel overwhelming for absolute beginners. Overall, if you're comfortable with crypto basics and want to take advantage of a full-featured exchange, Binance is a top choice. Let me know your thoughts or experiences with Binance in the comments. I'd love to hear how it's working for you.